What's up, YouTube? It's Devaris from Beyond the Lens. And today we will be doing an unboxing of the Specta Mini 4K camera drone. Alright, let's get to it. They always make this stuff so hard to get into. So yeah, I wanted to get this drone. A lot of people have been doing reviews on it, so I wanted to check it out for myself and see what it really was all about. So here we go. Let's go. Don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. Like the video so that the YouTube algorithm can put us up front. All right, here we go, guys. The Specta Mini 4K drone. One box down, another box to go. So just to get a few details, let's go over a few of the details. What's the specs? Okay, Specta Mini, ultra lightweight, 249 grams, not bad. 3-axis gimbal, GPS capabilities. Okay, let's open it up. Yeah, they don't make this easy, huh? Open. From the bottom. From the bottom to the top. We came from the bottom. And there she is, guys. The Specta Mini. Let's take it out. It's well packaged. It's in a nice package bag, and it's very small. What else is inside the box? Like opening up something for Christmas. This is probably a user's manual. Let's open it up and see. Nope, I was wrong. These are the accessories. See that cable? USB-C to USB-C. It comes with another USB-C, probably for charging. This is a tool to put the propellers on, extra propellers. And this is a package of extra propellers. Okay, what's next? And here it is, the remote control. Nice, it's nicely packaged as well, as you can see. Gel packet, that fresh smell. I don't see a user's manual. Okay, no user's manual. Okay, before we get to the Specta Mini, let's go ahead and open up the remote. Let's check it out. trying to be neat. Let's just go on and tear off into it. There it is. Similar to the DJI 4K Mini. It feels well made, pretty heavy. Although it's plastic, it's made well. Inside, under here, you can see the knobs for the remote control. So we'll take those out. And screw them in. I like it. So far, I'm impressed. I kind of like this, the quality of this drone. And there you go. Knobs. Let's get into the Specta Mini. Very small. So if you want to see the difference, okay, now I do have a pretty big phone. I have the Samsung Galaxy Ultra, but just check out the size in comparison. My phone is bigger than the drone. Nice cover over the camera. I love that. See if you can see the plastic cover over the drone camera. Well packaged. The battery is already installed. Instructions on it. Charge to activate the battery, as you can see. You guys can see that. It's so small, I really don't want to feel like I'm going to break it. And there she goes. Don't want to break it. These legs fold out from underneath. And there you have it, the Specta Mini. Nice. Stay tuned for the next video when we're going to do a live review, and we're going to check it out and see how it really flies and see how it handles. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.